I be defensive with people who really want to see good for you. And that is what hurt me. Because me genuinely want to see good for Tikki. It's not like say me I go try to clone him out. You get what me I say? Make them tell you about me. Anybody come around me, ask them. Ask all smiles right there, sir. Me no hype on nobody, and me no go up on nobody. Me no show up on nobody. Me just take everybody as a human and me treat them as a human. You have some people, if you're not wear designer, or if you're not in a highlight, them feel like them for treat you less than. I mean, I'm dead there, I see them body, I treat the body less than, because me always I gotta put myself in that position and that shoes and say same to you that do to me too.
All right, so Tikki not getting no clothes at all today.
So me can't get for me chance must talk.
It's a big one of
They need to skip
interest
the
of
party
what.
and talk.
Tikki just need to
positive.
calm,
They're gonna get the money.
speak more softly, and be calm.
You need to go explain the same about the party. No,
Tikki does, let me tell you where Tikki always are.
No,
Tikki does always are different and I say, let me get my time for talk. Let me get him don't listen to nothing what you have to say no relevant.
Nothing at all.
And he go through one of him ears and come back through one because him just want to get see him clap back. Tikki is just a person like this. He is so defensive. So him don't take no telling. You understand? Me study him. Me get to realize.
So, how much more money him want?
Me don't know. Me not having money. Me get one.
You collect the money.
Me check my cash up and tell you how much money me get for him. I think I have about $55 or $60 fee. Me can look
Oh,
and
you talk about the money where Kim supposed to give him.
I don't know.
You get back our money and him send back my own.
Sunshine.
What? Why him do that? Why make Kim do that?
Sunshine.
No, I need money for your clothes, so him just forward it back, eh?
Him should just send it back to one hour. No, make
cheese.
get the money.
Tikki, I get back the money. Cause me call him already and talk to him. So the money I go back to him. So me have a cash up fee me used last night.
No, hold on. Sure. Me ask a question. How the money I gotta go back to Kim?
The money I go back to Tikki. Me have a cash up fee from last night. I did send the money to him. You know? So me I go send back the money to him. So me
alright, Sunshine, hold on. Let me say something to you and Miss Triple. I don't know if Miss Triple there here, about 1,800 people there here. Me now I tell them, who the advice to them forgive Tikki the money either because Tikki don't have no sense. Me the advice, you know, forget buy the clothes from somebody. Forgive.
Listen, give Tikki the money, big one. Big one. Tikki is not a child.
Can I
go buy $1 blood clot shirt and $2 pants. Make him go spend the money. Give Tikki the money.
You know what I gotta do? I
gotta just pertaining pan chip.
And then like make him go and go spend the money. Simple. You go forget things now and things so tight.
But cheese, why am I gonna buy $1 shirt when he wash it? I gotta wait name the rumble up.
You know mean as in dollar shirt, as in dollar.
I thought him I gonna buy. I be an idiot clothes.
All right, all right, like
why they never pack a bag for him?
Yeah.
I like how the money come there. Could I take the money and give him a nice bag?
All right, what may I say, big one? Me want to ask you a question. Do you know same get released Friday, right?
Yeah.
And we want to do a little thing because the whole community do them little thing over. So here what may I say now? So you could have grabbed 2 or 3 coat film and 2 little pants and 1 boots and stuff.
Listen to me now, Sunshine. That was in play to get some stuff for Tikki, but if the show Tikki come out so sudden can we know, and then the people that me really work with them friends, them now go outside.
Nobody now go road now. Just talk the truth.
No, we are people are going road same way.
Yankee them alone, the Yankee clutcher them alone at the road.
Idiot, stop it now. You know, you retire a long time. For me get 1 lock up, you retire.
Then me are gonna further love me. Freedom.
Yeah, people still are doing them things.
That's the one that stay in jail.
People still outside are doing them things. People just relax. Just hold a med.
Me are telling the truth. Me not gonna make my fight pain. Me and my head back with the upper laughing tonight.
No, Tikki come here. Tikki come here like him come to stress out people. Bro,
I'm not going to talking. Bust your head top like a pig.
Jojo want talk, you see, and me gonna make Jojo talk. Let me say something, Jojo. Tikki, Me a bit
Tikki just not
me like you
understand.
know, me love you, Tikki, but guess what?
People
It's
love
like
him, but he not
you go
understand.
stress me out again, you know, Tikki. And me
Not tell
can't
you.
You will
stress.
stress
Come
out
like him, come
anybody.
here for stress
But
out
prepare
people,
for
bro.
it.
Every minute I want different problem with Tikki. Tikki just relax, bro.
Nah, here.
Jesus God.
You come
Jojo,
like
your
chili,
time.
like him in a
Unmute the
tree.
son. Unmute
That's
Jojo.
why, you see when my buck here, watch him, I go do you. Better you start here.
Yeah,
Eh? Go
build it
ahead.
up.
Yeah, hear me, son?
Hold on, me could hear what Jojo say. Go on, Jojo.
Sunshine, let me
Your
first say
signal.
this.
Somebody asked for the
Are you
payment
hearing me?
method. Watch it.
Inbox,
You
sir.
come
Me
in.
inbox
Are
you.
you hearing me?
Yeah,
Zoe
there. Watch it. Come
Pakistan.
in.
Stop it. Hold on, Tikki. Hold on and just make him say something. Make Jojo talk. Talk, Jojo. In signal now go on, good man.
What's the payment method? Zoe Majesty said. Zoe
the
asked for
Inbox,
the
only,
sir. Me
payment method.
inbox, sir. Yeah.
only thing Tikki I think
Text me
they
back
probably
now.
know. Only
Him
thing,
think him can get, make him take it.
no.
Sunshine, you hear me now?
Him
Yeah, we
come
are here now. Talk. Talk. Go ahead.
Sunshine.
don't
Yeah.
catch.
Tikki, wait there, can I look like him gonna
You
something.
might
I'm
hear
gonna wanna make sure I say my
talk.
ear.
In
He's hearing?
yeah.
Sunshine.
Here,
Yeah.
talk.
I'm very honest with you, my teacher. You see the little 700 and 500 over here at night time, and we have a little conversation them.
Yeah.
I really appreciate. You see the loudness and the baga yeah? Me a
Yeah.
be honest with you, say.
No, this not go there for every night, smash.
Well on the cheese. Allow me to speak, please. Because you see Tikki Sunshine, as I say yesterday, you see change.
Yeah.
Tikki have to actually want for change. So Tikki just come America and Sunshine have 4 days with a loudness and baga. Listen to me, Sunshine. A big one. Cheese, Ivan, everybody nurse. You see, if them love Tikki, them come together. Not even have to do on social media. Tikki wants a plan for him life because Tikki don't know America.
But we can't go do that, smash. We only can help him with a little
Can you allow me to finish, cheese, please?
Yeah, just watch me.
The people the son I love Tikki, the people that love Tikki Sunshine, even if you want to be a part of it, you help him and raise money over him. Those people need to get together and and help Tikki to put a plan in place for his life. Because so I see a go on right that says that every day begging and some I tell you this. Me not like them something for the LGBTQ community can just make people class bottom and the things them. Tikki say where you gonna come out a while ago and say, but how come see a class scheme and say them have HIV and the word the bottom and them have HIV? Let me make it very clear. When you're talking about those numbers, make sure you have facts to it because I'm a part of that community and don't come on here and spepe those things about members of the community. I don't like that. I don't like that. So if you're talking about some individual speak, allow me
Oh,
to
you and Kim gone so far, Tikki, and that's
Stop
not
class
we're not gonna do the back and forth to them Sunshine. The truth, like
Some
even when you
people
have
help you, Tikki.
you gotta come and you know, the big one,
Monkey, big one.
me not cheese. Keep
Hold
your
on the
always
cheese.
have
Hold
him
on the
ways.
big one. No, hold on the make.
Keep your always have him ways, Sunshine. If Keem we talked to Tikki last night, Sunshine. Me not have time for this. We talked to if Keem can always have him ways. None of we not perfect. If Keem did something today, if even Keem go up and go click theme live, Tikki, you have a responsibility for your action. I never have to go back and forth with Keem. Even what you know, settle yet. Keem have him car and live somewhere. Tikki, you kill some battles and every battles you have to fight. And last night we talked to you about the same thing. Sometimes you have to relax. I don't like it. It seems like confusion. If you know, so the best thing, big one, you're not talking about raise money for him go rent somewhere. Make Tikki stay in the hands of the government. Let the government.
That's how we Tikki they know.
Let Tikki stay in the shelter. The government would end up finding a housing for him when the time come. Let Tikki stay where he is. The government help him. Because people are going to treat Tikki bad. Tikki are going to rent a room from somebody and Tikki are going to go there with the loudness, probably treat the people in place a certain type of way and it's going to go there. I'm very emotional. I mean, I like them something here. Tikki, you will get hurt in this country. A lot of people come here and don't know their way. You cuss people about HIV. A lot of people ending up on the road and have to go start sell sex until them get something. You have got class people about what the reality might be. I don't find it funny. Tikki, I'm not going back and forth with you.
You're in a position
Nah,
to
do
do
that back and
that.
forth.
Me not tell him,
Nah, do that. So
position,
I don't go check her down and make her come back. But me not do that with our Sunshine. Me not like that. Tikki, you need to relax. You're just coming to America. Relax yourself, baby. Relax.
I make everybody have something bad to say about your
Me
coming.
not have time for the baga in the Sunshine and every day. And if you want some help genuinely, people will genuinely come together and help him. You get it? The part time, but put on them something there. Go do something with yourself because big one work, you know, and big one have ambition. Because when him do him like a badness Sunshine, he make sure him furnish him house and him do the things them. Tikki need for learn for humble Sunshine. Me I tell you the truth, after tonight, Tikki a big man Sunshine. You understand?
I know not tell Tikki the right thing.
Jojo, look here, tonight, me finish cause me not gonna make Tikki stress me out because Tikki not here. Tikki not here.
Tikki can
You
get the
understand?
help. Them
But
can
even
give the
nurse
one
don't
half
look like
help,
man
but
Tikki
you need
fall
a
out.
little work.
Look like a nurse man Tikki fall out. Me not understand.
One
Thanks for
blood
the
clot.
gift. Thank you.
Yes, all him have to do is stay in the shelter and go and build himself. Nobody not
Tikki
know
was
say.
the
Nobody
deal.
not know say even shelter and there in the
Sunshine.
sunshine. Tikki them too bagga fichu.
Sunshine, me deal
Don't
with
talk
Kim
about them a
this
clean mouth.
morning. Me deal with Kim already this morning.
Yeah.
I may never class him and bring him down. I just make him know how I feel about the situation we him talk about. I may never like it. And we're going to cuss the man and tell him, say, AIDS. You know you're a doctor, you're not a doctor.
One, sunshine, me tell me last night say make one of the nook of them. Me tell me last night say make you one of
Yeah,
the
you
nook of
say
them.
and Chase it say to and say big one.
Yeah.
You know, on a
Me say give one of the nook of them $100 and them will get Tikki all one suitcase of clothes. Me say Tikki
Where?
one of
You
the
not
church.
get that again in America. You know,
Well,
go see
anything.
them
If I even some t-shirt, if I even 12 t-shirt and 12 pants cheese, him Batman will still do it
Where?
for
Which
Tikki.
bar? Where?
Tikki, I'm
No,
son,
man,
I'm cheese. You have Batman will do it for
I could
Tikki.
have make him get a good amount of things, man.
You have Batman will do that for Tikki same way. And you got one shirt, sunshine, and you get one coat and put on. Nobody now have to know your struggles. You know why the internet have been. Why the internet have to know that on Tikki you need to take back your statement? Because the girl them take them purple and stuff like that. But sunshine Batman now in the night in the 80s and them time when you hear say AIDS a kill Batman and it nothing in our community. The girl them now do them stop there again because where the medical field is going now, they are trying to prevent things before it happen. So every girl go down at the clinic and them go up and them prep and take a pill per day so them can get HIV and them also take them doxycycline when them feel like them doing like a bad rudeness and doxycycline is an antibacterial that fights against things like chlamydia and gonorrhea. So Tikki, get your facts together and come very straight and stop so that.
Sunshine, clean se him.
Yeah, release the comment in the
I
comment.
don't know nobody and me somebody to know fussy mad week.
All right, hold on there, hold on the
Hold on
cheese.
the auntie. May I jump down say who want come up in our box? Come.
Yeah, and then you come back, right?
Yeah, auntie.
So, all right, Kim. All right, please, me I beg you.
Nobody will.
Spend time, Kim, and no come up. Me don't want to talk with each other. Please, one at a time. Else me go empty the box. God no. So here what? One at a time. So me go bring up Kim and the whole I wanna just wanna start out to the thing and Tikki wrong. To tell him about not AIDS. Yeah.
Rank for some you know nobody.
Sunshine,
Hey, mute na Tikki.
sunshine.
Yeah.
Last night when Tikki called me, or this man when Tikki called me, when me about the Uber fame, I was very genuine. Same like how me tell you say, Tikki now gonna a party and a big dance, so nothing is wrong if Tikki can wear Primark clothes. Which part Tikki I go? Tikki now not up on him back, so the cheaper and the more clothes him get. Nobody now do road, and even if the people them did not do road, everybody stop the road because them afraid of jump on ice. So which shoplifter me forgot to go buy clothes to Tikki? Me not know no shoplifter because every shoplifter gone back to 9 to 5.
All right, Kim, hold on.
No, listen now. But when you know I got eavesdrops and come on live, come talk it, what you think me for think about you know? When me can hold a conversation with you, where the internet no know. One-on-one conversation and then you are going to come on the internet now, come say it and paint a back picture of me.
No, because
how you think
it's
to look on you now?
No, you can't look for me anyway. You
And
want
it's
to
the-
look at me.
And it's
But
the same
Sunshine,
reason
listen
why,
to me.
and it's the
What me
same
I
reason
say
why
to
me disassociate myself from Tikki and me never did I go take up what because you know come with a lot of problem and contention. The simplest thing people say, you draw it out of proportion and make it seem as drama. You don't know how to hold a conversation and think constructive criticism. Anytime people now run figure get felony and misdemeanor and encourage people to get arrest and warrant, and them think they uno feel like say them go like them bougie. Anytime people want them record clean because them want something out of life, uno class them and say them go like them bougie and them go like everybody else. You see me not go run down the felony and a warrant in America because guess what? Me have my goal oriented and me have a contingency plan them. Me no want a record and a charge. Me no want a tattoo.
Kim, hold on there. Take
Criminal
time,
record.
baby boy. Baby
Kim,
boy.
Kim, can I answer one question?
Me a go walk on the straight and narrow.
Well,
all
big one.
of it.
Listen
Big
to
one.
me, big one. Me not
Big
know
one.
them the big word. They say me no want
Well, on the
nobody
big one.
come and
Kim,
use
can I
the
ask you a
big word
question?
from me and I go like them can't
Well,
take
on
my
the- well, on the
finger,
big one.
and I get-
Well, on the big
well,
one.
on the spice, let me talk. Well, on let me talk. I remember go about my business if me can't talk. Listen what me I say. Not tell me say me I can hold a conversation and where you gonna think about me. You can think whatever you want to think about me, Kim. But how you make me feel, you never say it to me one-on-one. You say it in a public space where all heap of people there. You like to be little people and you like to feel like you're important.
And so be it. I don't care.
If you know better, Keem, you have to do better too, Keem.
That's why I'm
entitled feel all
Keem,
them
can I ask you a question? Big one, can I ask Keem a question?
If you feel a way about it,
Keem, can I ask a question?
Keem,
I want to ask a question. Hold on, a big one, and an argument in a big one. Keem, I want to ask you one question. Can you agree, because the whole way have a good and a bad and we ways them and stuff like that. I want to know, can you agree that some things that you phrase, you can phrase them differently?
I just saw me talk, you know, if you listen to them.
Exactly,
Big one, can you hold on? Can you hold on? Keem, let me tell you this, a lot of time we say, oh, I saw me stay. So we stay and I make it okay all the time. I have some dirty things about me too that I need to change. So if you're speaking the facts, speak the facts too, because you say you're intelligent.
Sunshine, listen to me.
Sunshine,
listen to me. May I stay up on the straight and narrow? And I believe that people forgot the way where to make themselves safe in this country. Another time now for involved in an illegal company and illegal activities. You understand me? I say Sunshine? So if a Primark Tikki budget there, a Primark team budget there.
You cannot buy Primark.
You cannot have back juice budget. You come on the internet and agree.
For yourself.
Relax now. You agree say you're a shoplifter, you're a thief. Why you never got thief and carry them go get Tikki instead of Tikki a pay a beg on the internet and you say I'm father? Why you never got thief out of the store?
Why you not related to Tikki and you want to take the people their money and go buy Primark, give Tikki where you never go buy it to give yourself because you think it's less than you.
Did I go buy a Primark?
Is less than you, but nobody is less than you. Nobody bigger than God.
And if him get couple shirt from Primark, him just come America, nothing now.
Nobody bigger than
Big one, hold on there, hold on the cheese. Big one. I never see some tune. Hold on. When me just to America, hold on the Keem. Hold on there, listen to this now. Listen to this.
Don't need you neither.
Hold on, big one. Me cheese, listen to this. Me not come through the border. Come here with me brown Ilvin up, right? On the airport. You see which part when me just come? Rainbow. And Darlington. Rainbow close the good. You wait one time going to machine carry. And two me just come and me just take time and scrape. And that's how me go. And guess what? Me come out successful after because look at me have Gucci, me have Louis, me have Versace, me have Donna Karen, me have Tommy, me have everyone I brand.
Alright, Sunshine, well on. Sunshine, I got to the night, get the narrative of what me have said. You're not going to really
know. You see the humbly scarf, Sunshine? You see the humbly, Sunshine, you see the humbly scarf? Suck the most milk. Enough shoplifter me here said them that never do a 9 to 5 in America. And right now, them are big and a barana do 9 to 5 just because them didn't make money on the road. You see, humbler you be, and the better your record, and the better and the happier you be in this country. You see, when you want to follow up, every minute you have felony and charge here. Listen to me. Never stay up on the straight and narrow. Sunshine. When your platform cool down, will come up here because I'm not about this life.
Sunshine, take it from me. Listen what me I tell you, say, Sunshine. Let me tell you. About the remarks where you pass, where you're out of order, Keem.
But I understand a big one I say in the Sunshine, no lies.
Keem pass for remarks, so we Keem gone. Oh, you got to talk, Keem, you don't make no sense. Yeah.
Thinking about the bracelet cheese, I would have a different conversation.
So you can't wear one big pants, go wash 2 pots.
No, if Tikki, they don't have a different situation, Sunshine, me and Tikki have the conversation. Can I say, me I help you? Me that tell Tikki.
Stop nice, yeah. Because we know more than one people with things can them foot go wash pot.
Listen to me. You see what happened to you right now, and you make it happen to you. Because guess what? You come, and I say, daughter, watch that style here. Just watch it pre. You see, you come, and you start to make content, and now everybody have you as a mischief maker. And when you're right, you're going to get wrong. Because that's happening right now. And that me I tell you.